Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Today, let's gonna make a trip to Italy. Let's make a porchetta, Italian recipe, very easy. I just had a small mistake while I was doing it in the last stage. The post came and I got 1 extra minute of the porchetta on the oven, but still the recipe is very nice. I hope you like it. Let's make it. So we're gonna start roasting our fennel. Well, in the meantime, our fennel is roasting a little bit. We have to be careful, we don't wanna burn it. So, I'm gonna reduce a little bit the heat here. I'm gonna do some cuts on the pork belly on the sides because I need the fat on the outside to cover it, and it will be easy to fold it. And then I will do some other cuts for our spices to go into it. I will show you, so let's go. So this time what I just told you, I'm just gonna separate this outside fat from the meat, just around 4 centimeters of this side, from this side and from this side. I'm gonna fold it and then I will cover it with it. So it's just carefully with small knife, just follow the mark between between the fat and the meat. Of course, it's just a small process to make it easier to be folded. Yeah. So I will do it and I will just show you the idea. This is my first time I'm doing this porchetta, yeah. But I have been off in Italy and I love it. Yeah. You see, this is just what we're gonna do. Just follow the fat and then you have no problem going through the meat. Yeah. Of course, you need a sharp knife. It's important. And this is what we want. Yeah. I'm gonna do it on the other side and I will show you. So we got our cut just like this. I just noticed, I thought it was only the meat from the ribs, but there is a bone here. So we're gonna just remove the bone. Just follow here. Yeah. There is the whole bone here. So we don't need it, otherwise we're not gonna be able to fold it, yeah? This is just, the meat will show you where to cut. It will, you see here, just go on the side of the bone and you will be able to debone the meat, a piece of meat. And you can also remove the whole, you can also remove all of this, but I want to keep this meat, yeah? I just take off the bones and I'm just leaving the meat, yeah? This is the main idea, yeah? So we are just so far where we want it to be. Just see, like this. Like this, and now I will proceed to do another cuts. Just a second. So as when I fold it, it will be too thickness here. I will we need to remove this part, but I will use it on top of it, on the middle one. You see, we follow here, and we get remove the excess of this is not excess, this is just a part of the ribs. I will just put it like this on the middle when I finish it. Right now I'm gonna do some cuts transversal like this and like this because I want our spices to go into it. So now we can just like that. Look, you want to go deep, not through the meat. You see, if you see here is perfect. and here we want this one, yeah? This is the idea. And now, as I told you, we got here the 20 grams of salt. We are gonna add our gram of chili flakes, our gram of pepper, our 15 gram of garlic, and of course, our fennel just roasted. You cannot imagine how it smells. So we are just gonna add it here to our kitchen mortar, and we are gonna prepare our salt. This is will be our salt to marinate our pork belly to make the porchetta. So I will do this and I will show you just in a few moments how it will turn out. Okay, right now it's just a little bit of oil. I got some olive oil, this here. This oil is, that's our spices get stick to the meat, and we want of course here. And the other side as well. Yeah. So right now I'm gonna show you how it turns out. Look, this is our salt, this is the spices, and with it we're gonna just, we want every part of the meat with our spices. When I mean every part of the meat is like we're gonna just do it like this, just here as well, yeah, and on the other side as well, yeah, and just go like this, open it, and get it in the meat, inside, everywhere, yeah. Just we want this part, we want some as well to get from our marinade. Yeah. So then on the side there is always a little bit, we can use it there. We don't want to lose our flavor, we want to keep it just here inside. So now I will wash my hands. Well, we are so far, we got our porchetta already with our salt and spices. Now we're just gonna fold it. I got some ropes like that, small, yeah, for the, we are gonna do it first in the middle, then on each side, and then we are gonna do it all together, yeah. Like we have to try a good shape that it's good looking, and so let's do it then. As I said, now we are gonna come here from one side. I'm gonna do it like this first of all. I'm gonna put this through the middle. We're gonna start with the middle, will be easier. Come like this, yeah, and then on this side is also here. The first three ones are the much more difficult because we gotta make it tight. We gotta make it also that it has a good looking, good shape. Yeah, there will be our second one on this side. I'm gonna make it here. Yeah. And now on the other side, our look. Yeah. The other side here. That extra meat I add probably is too much, but I wanted the meat. Yeah, I want the meat because it's gonna be nice if we have meat and the fat and everything. And now we're just gonna cut these ends here. We don't want them. Yeah. And now we are just gonna try to give it the shape. Yeah. We're gonna try put another tide. Each time you're gonna cut it. Yeah. I'm gonna do maybe 2 here and 2 here and 1 here and probably 1 here. Yeah? So for that, we're just gonna do it this way. You're gonna have just this through the middle one, and we're gonna just get it here. So we're gonna do it like this. This will be our first here on this side. We're gonna just yeah, and now our second will be like this, going through here. Just two. Just a second, let's cut this one. So now we're gonna continue with the other one. So that's it. Now come here, the same. We're gonna just make the final knot here. Oh, just not in the middle, as it should. Nevertheless, so I'm gonna just move it back. Yeah, there you are. And you see, we got one shape. We got here. Unfortunately, it's a little bit too much meat, but it doesn't matter, as I said. But this is our porchetta. Now I'm gonna use this oven container. I'm gonna place our porchetta just there, and I will leave you 12 hours. In my case, will be more than 12 because this is just almost 11 o'clock in the morning. So I will cook it, but after 24 hours. It doesn't really matter. It will get a lot of flavor on the meat with our spices there. And I will show you later on what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cover all the ends, both ends with a foil so that we don't wanna burn the meat the first 3 hours of cooking, just like that. And but I will show you later, okay? So catch me up tomorrow. Cheers. After the night, I just preheated my oven at 160 degrees. I also took my porchetta out of the fridge about 1 hour ago, and I just placed it. I'm gonna do it 1 hour and a half, and then I will check, and then another hour and a half at 160 degrees. Just that's it. With the after the first hour and a half, look how it looks. Now I'm gonna use my grit. I will. I need some to elevate it. Now the fat is gonna drop, but on top of our potatoes, which is our side today. I just chop potatoes, cut, and that's it. Just slices around half a centimeter thick. It's not that complicated now. It sounds good, doesn't it? So now I'll have placed it around 30 minutes, just as you see it. And now I'm gonna, after the 30 minutes, I will just cover the side of the porchetta. I don't want it too much heat on the inside, that it get dry, the meat, yeah, because the outside is gonna be crunchy and the inside is gonna be juicy. I'm just covering it with some alu foil, as you may see. It's not so it's not that difficult. It's like that. You don't have to, but I guess it could be an alternative, because my potatoes are still not ready, but I'm gonna need to heat up the oven, so that's why I'm covering it, the bottom or the side, and just leaving on top uncovered, because I'm gonna heat up my oven to the max now, the grill mode. Yeah, I'm gonna grill mode, gonna around 15 minutes. Here is where I had a mistake, because the post came and it was one extra minute and it burned a little bit, but it's unnoticed. If you when I cut it, you will see that it was just nothing, just a little bit. Look, I just now just remove all the rope where you tie your porchetta, and now listen to it. Perfect. Now you see the inside, crunchy on the outside. Look, that's the sound. That's it. So everyone, I hope you like it. You have so far to here, leave your like. I will repeat this recipe. Hopefully the post doesn't come and burn it again, but it is very nice recipe. The quantities I will leave it down here in the description of the salt I prepare. Perfect. And we got a side with the potatoes cooked in the meat of the porchetta, some fresh tomato from my garden, the porchetta, and that's my lunch. So thank you very much. I hope you like it and have a nice journey. Take care, everyone.